Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two Gucci unboxings that I am going to share with you today. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So I wanted to go back to this little item that I received from buying the Ophidia coin pouch. I noticed that it had 2 zeros here after the last I in Gucci. And I looked at my previous bag and it only had Gucci on there before. And so I started to wonder, and I decided to look up what the 100 meant and what it is, and also the bags. As you can tell, their bags are very pretty right now, and they probably will be like this for the rest of 2021, because 2021 marks 100 years since Gucci became a luxury fashion house in Florence, founded by Gucciano Gucci. And so I thought that was interesting to know, based on their packaging, why they had that little 00. So that was the reason for that. Today I'm going to unbox two items that I purchased while we were out of town at the Legacy West in Plano and the North Park Mall in Dallas. And so I'm going to go ahead and unbox these first. And when I went in store, I was looking for this other item that I found at the mall. And so I'm going to go ahead and I think even their ribbon is different. Their ribbon was green and black, and now it's this kind of maroon with black color on it. Very pretty. I really do like the new packaging. This item retails for $770, and it was $833.53 with tax, and that's in Texas. And I know that movie's coming out about Gucci, and I know several people have asked me if I knew the story about Gucci, and I don't really care, to be honest. But they put them in dust bags, which, you know, I like my dust bag, so. But I went ahead and finally pulled the trigger and bought these sandals with a double G here on the top. This is just like paper in here, which helps it keep its shape. But I really did like this lower heel because I heard that the higher heel is very hard to wear. I did also hear about sizing up because a double G could rub, but I went true to size. These are a 6.5, and you can see the size there. And then it has that Gucci label there. Very pretty heel. And then it kind of has like a little wavy design here on the top. This does not come loose. It kind of looks like it would, but it doesn't. It's just sewn like that. It has Gucci here on the inside. And so I have been wanting these for some time now, and I just finally decided to buy them. I really thought they were $900, and they still are pricey. Don't get me wrong, at $700, they're still pricey, but I was glad to know that they were $200 less than I thought they were. So there are the shoes that I bought. And the first items that I purchased were this Gucci belt, and I bought some slides and also a bag. And so I thought these would go really pretty just with my overall look. I did wear my Gucci belt, and then when I thought about the shoes I wanted to wear, I just thought of these shoes. So when we went down, I just went ahead and bought these. So these are the first pair that I bought. Here are these shoes, and as I mentioned, they are so pretty. I really do like the height on these, and I do think that they're gonna work out for me. I like the way they look with the belt. And as I mentioned, I have walked around in them, and that little double G has not caused me any pain at all. In fact, the leather is what is hitting the top of my foot and not the actual double G. And so I really do like those. And so let's move on to this pair. As you can tell, it is a shoe as well. I was kind of disappointed when I went into the store at North Park because the guy gave me the smallest bag ever. I'll show it to you. I think it was a bag like this, which is the bag that they gave me for these shoes. But this box is a whole lot bigger. I'll show you really quick. And so as you can see, this box is a whole lot bigger than this box. So when he gave me this tiny bag, I was like, sir, can I get a bigger bag? Because this box was really big. It didn't fit well, but I did want a bigger bag just because I wanted a bigger bag. But I did also keep the smaller bag too. So now I have the smaller bag and the bigger bag. So I want to go ahead and show you the inside of this one because I didn't show you the inside of that one. Their packaging is so amazing, the way that they package everything. This one has all of the details of the shoe that I purchased. This shoe is the rubber GG interlocking sandal. And again, the packaging is amazing. I didn't buy these in the same store because they didn't have them. And so the tissue paper does have that Gucci pattern on there. I don't know if you can see that, but very pretty, the green. And then your item comes well packaged like that. So they do amazing at putting your product in the box. And so here is this item here. The reason I decided to buy these because I wanted something to match my little bag, this one. But I didn't want this exact pattern. I just wanted something that had the red and the green, and I thought it would look cute together, and I'll try it on so that you can see it. But I went ahead and sized up to a size 37 because the 36 seemed like it fit a bit smaller. And so I like this light colored shoe. They do have it in black, and the inside is kind of neat. I hope you can see that in there. Kind of has like the colors from the top, and it has Gucci here. The bottom just has a double G on there. Very pretty casual shoe. And so I definitely wanted to get these just to have a lighter shoe. I just wanted to have something different. And here are these little shoes with the little bag. And so I really do like these. They're very comfortable. And as I mentioned, I just went ahead and got a size 37 because I felt like that's what would be best for me and the fit that I was looking for. So I didn't know if I said how much these were. So these were $3.80, and then with tax they came out to $411.35. And so as I'm building my Gucci collection, I haven't really curated it like I have my Louis Vuitton collection. And since I have several pieces now, I most likely will do a Gucci collection video at some point. So these are my 2 latest additions. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.